Donald Duck. Oh my god, what the fuck was that? Could you imagine me with a sexy deep voice?
Ha ha ha, bussy.
I could literally, what the fuck is that? Oh, it's a kid. I'm sorry, I'm a Saints Row Giraffe Boy. Just remember, I'm a Saints Row Giraffe Boy. I'm such a pro in Mario Kart. They call me Hayden the Humper because I always fuck the track. I want my lover's ass. Wait, what? Sorry. Okay, now I think the ghost will kill me now that I've done that. So that's okay, though.
Balls.
Balls?
Give them to me.
Wait, why is the game saying balls? Wait, what happened? Wait, was that the... oh, wait! Oh, my God! Oh, he wants me to shoot him in the nipples.
Guess there goes his nipples.